Are you thinking of coming to Energylandia? Well, here's 5 do's
and 5 don'ts
that will help you have a great time.
Let's go. Here's our first tip. As soon as you enter the park, there's machines where you can buy a wristband for 14 zloty. That's around £3. When you go to a ride, there's lockers that you put your wristband under and you can store things in. It's a great system to use because it means nobody can steal your stuff and you can claim it all very easily by just holding your wrist under. It's really cheap and really recommended.
There are 1 or 2 rides where they have a wooden storage unit and you can put your stuff in those.
Just to note that you have to locker on Hyperion because there are metal detectors that will detect anything that goes through, since it is the second tallest in all of Europe.
Tip number 2, make sure you go very early in the season. The earlier you go, the less people will be there. We went the first weekend it was open and the scenes were like this. It was empty. We queued for nothing apart from Formula, which went up to a massive 10-minute wait, and that was the only wait over the 2 days. Take my advice, get yourself there as early as you can.
Tip number 3, you have to ride Abyssus, Hyperion, Zator and Speed. And trust me, you want the fun. Let's go on.
Next tip, you must get your chest mount checked as soon as you go in. Do not do what I did. Do not go to the back of the park and then think, oh, my chest mount, and then have to walk all the way back. Get it checked as soon as you go in. But beware, they will be very, very rough with it. They want to make sure it will not break on the ride. They did break mine, they snapped mine, but thankfully I had a replacement. Please take a replacement and get it checked as soon as you go in. Security guards on the left are the people to do it, and they are very, very quick, but very, very thorough. Be careful.
So for our last tip, you have to buy at least a 2-day ticket. The park is so big that you can't just possibly do it in one. There's just so many rides, 7D cinemas, entertainments, theatres, food places. It's just not possible in one day. For our final tip, you must buy at least a 2-day ticket. Maximise the amount of fun you can have in the park.
Our first don't forget a map. This place is huge. Luckily, the maps have got numbers on, which correspond to the numbers of the attraction and or the place where you are eating. So look for the big number. Look for the number on your map and make sure you marry them up. You can also download a map digitally to your phone, but we had a bit of trouble with that. Try and do that before you go if you can. If you're staying at the Western Camp, pick your map up there, put it on your phone there. It's so much easier.
Negative point 2. Now, this one was quite unexpected. You will need some waterproofs, as there are plenty of water rides and plenty that you will get drenched on. For example, Speed, as we said before, utilise those lockers to make sure everything is safe. Another thing, there are no lockers on the River Rapids ride. You have to keep everything to your body. Make sure you bring a waterproof coat to cover everything up. Let's get to the next one.
Don't buy your park tickets until you're there. If you're staying at the Western Camp, they do you an offer where they will give you fast passes. You sometimes get them free if you book on site. So take my advice, wait till you're there, get your park tickets then.
Don't go straight to Hyperion. You might be thinking, oh, look, Hyperion, second tallest in Europe, just to the right. No, that's what everybody's thinking. Go to the back and start forward, unless you need to go get your camera checked.
Don't buy your drinks from the park. Trust me, they are cheaper outside. If you go to this supermarket close to the Western Camp, your drinks will be at least half price. Stock up in the morning, take some into the park with you, and enjoy throughout the day. Let's save some money.
That was our final point of today. So from both of us,
we hope you have a great time in Energylandia. If you think we've missed a tip, pop it down below, help someone else.
bye for now.
Bye for now.